Welcome. In front of me is Gateway GWNR71517 ultra slim laptop, and in this video I will show you how to check graphics card on this device. To do that, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then select in Settings, select System Settings, scroll down to the bottom of it, go to About section, and in the About section you will be able to see the graphics card, the name of it, and the amount of video RAM that it uses. So the name of my graphics card is AMD Radeon RX Vega 10 graphics. And if you want to learn more about it, you can right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager. Now in the Task Manager, go to Performance section, then go to GPU, and here you can monitor your GPU in real time and also see the amount of resources being used on this graphics card. Also, you can check the temperature here and the driver version and etc. All the information about your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.